How do you get somebody to sign up on a £1,500 a month package to run their social media? These are all the things that people aren't telling you when they're trying to sell you an online course. Well, the first thing is finding a niche. Who are you going for? Who are you targeting? Is it going to be restaurant owners? Is it going to be nail salons? Is it going to be barbershops? Is it going to be beach clubs if you live abroad in Dubai or Miami or Spain? Who is your ideal customer? Step 2 is the hardest part because it's actually signing the client up. Now, unfortunately, going like this and typing in their phone number and going, "Hi, can I speak to the owner please?" which 90% of the time isn't going to be at the shop because the owner is going to employ someone to do the job for them. And it's just going to be a cold call. And I personally feel that cold calling in 2024 is done. What I do is I actually go into the place. I go in, I speak to the manager, I say hi to him, "Nice to meet you. This is what I do, and I'm going to do it for you right now, free of charge. I'm gonna give you videos and I'm gonna give you photos free of charge." Now, why would I do that? I've wasted my time, I've wasted my energy, and I haven't been paid for it. 3 things that negatively go towards me, but I'm still going to do it. The first reason why is because I'm going to create them some content which I know they're going to love. It's going to be something that no other content creator and no other marketing agency can touch because I vouch for my work. I know my work is 10/10. The second reason why is because the manager or whoever's in charge of the shop, or in my case the restaurant, is going to pass that video to the owner. The owner's going to see it. If they don't pass it to the owner, they're probably going to give me their email or their phone number where I can give them the video themselves. Be like, "Hey, Mustafa," or "Hey, whoever it is, I've made this in your place. Please take a look. If you're interested in having a call, here's my number. Give me a call back." 9 times out of 10, that will work. So when people try and teach you to try and find clients, it's not just, "Oh, make as many phone calls as you can. Try and phone as many restaurants as you can and you will get some yeses and you'll get a lot of no's," but you get, no. There's certain ways you can go around and navigate your way on finding clients. And personally for me, it's driving around once or twice a week and going into as many restaurants as I can and speaking to either the manager or the owner and giving them something for free. At the end of the day, you're teasing them. You're giving something to them for free for you to benefit later on down the line. The hardest thing is signing clients, but with that strategy, I honestly can vouch for it. It works a lot more than just sitting at home in bed writing an email. "Hey, hope you're well. Really like your restaurant." It just leave that shit to the side. It just doesn't work anymore. Maybe 1 in a million, but you're gonna send a million emails? No.